Hi everyone. Today we'll see how to modify our Git-Bash command prompt. So as you see here, I just have an arrow as my command prompt, which kind of is cool. I like a very minimal command and it works well with all the Unix commands. So what you're seeing here is a command prompt integrated with Visual Studio Code. I like to use the inbuilt terminal. I have integrated bash exe as you can see here. You can add PowerShell, you can have normal shell, anything you want. You can integrate with Visual Studio Code. That is one of my favorite features in this code editor. So now Git-Bash usually comes with a lot of extra stuff in its terminal, which I've removed here. So let's see what we need to do to get the terminal in this way. I like a very minimal terminal, which is not too much obtrusive. So for this, you open your file explorer. You gotta go to C drive where you have your Git Bash installed. I guess it is within program files, Git, etc, profile D, and you have this Git prompt. You need to open this file in an administrative mode. So I'll just show you what the contents are. So once you open this file, you can see that this is what it looks like, right? A lot of encrypted kind of stuff. Nothing to be worried about. Most of these stuff are just tweakable. So this is what is the title. I have removed a lot of stuff and I've just said git bash and present working directory, which gives me this nice little git bash and working directory. Because I'm not showing the working directory in the prompt itself, I would like to show it here. So that is that. And going back, this is just adding a new line for every new prompt. This is to change the color to green. If you see the arrow looks green here, you can see that. And this is what you want as a prompt. Here you can put any symbols here using the character map. You can put a music symbol, you can put a bass clef, whatever you want. These commented out ones, the first one shows you the user and host, which I don't like unless I'm SSHing into some other servers. At this point, I don't do it very often. Rest of the stuff, this is basically unwanted. I don't know why they want to show the Ming 64 kind of stuff. This is for the present working directory. If you put a capital W, it will show only the current directory. If you put a small w, it shows the entire path to that directory. This is basically Git related stuff. I don't show it because I use VS Code. It shows me all the branches and stuff, so I don't really need it. Again, there are some color stuff and all that. So basically all you need to do is this. Just remove all the rest and you should be fine. Once you get into it, you'll understand what needs to be changed. I like my small, simple prompt here, which works very well for me. And in VS Code, the moment you open a terminal, it by default opens in the folder that you're working with. So I'm fine there. So that's how it's done, guys. Thanks for watching.